have joined, like I have been from electrical and electronics background in my college. So I have joined in JSPIDERS 20th September. So it's been 1.5 months. I've got offered in one company. So here Keshav sir is teaching and Uday sir will teach Java. Their teaching is really amazing. Like they'll start from scratch and they'll teach us. So Sharik sir, so he will teach all the applied coding questions, how to solve all those things. Syed sir will teach us web technology, which is amazing. And HR staff here is very supportive, so they will support and they'll guide us which company we have to apply and which company we have to choose in a correct way. So it's been really amazing, and thank you, J Spiders.